Hello, my name is Anthony Espinoza. I'm here with at Jesus Gámez's home for Allstate, conducting a repair test video. So this roof has 3-tap shingles on it, and I already sent in an ITEL report showing how the shingles don't exist anymore. And this is one of the biggest differences in what is produced versus what is on this roof. So you can see here, this is a 3-foot shingle. It's about 36 inches, and I know this is not the same color, but this is a Gath Sovereign shingle. I forgot the name, I believe that is, but GAF and Owens Corning are the only companies that still produce 3-tap shingles. However, they do not produce them in English measurements anymore. You can only get them in metric measurements, which you can see here. This is just above 33 inches, which is 1 meter, 39 inches roughly. So per manufacturer installation specifications, you are not to use a shingle that is larger or shorter than the existing shingles for any type of repair work. You are not to manipulate a field shingle by cutting, trying to stretch, or anything like that. So this part that I'm about to do is going to make this a failed repair test right off the bat. I have to make this shingle that is a little over 3 inches longer than the existing shingles fit into this space. To do that, I have to cut the end of this shingle. So right here, make a couple little cuts, and then it's pretty easy just to fold it over. And then there. So now you can see I removed a piece of the shingle to make it fit. There's other reasons that you're not supposed to use different size shingles to do repairs. One of them, you can see this seal line. This is also the nail line where the nails are supposed to go into. Supposed to have 6 per shingle, 1 here, and then 2 on each side of these little lines on the tabs. So I will do the repair test, and as you can see here, this is the shingle that was damaged. It begins here, ends here. So I'll be loosening the nails on these 2 courses above to remove this shingle, and so that this one can slide in. If any type of damage occurs to these 2, it's a failed repair test. But again, just because of the fact that I had to cut this piece off of the repair shingle, that's an automatic fail right there. So I will continue though per Allstate's request. I got my hammer and my So first we have to remove the existing shingle and loosen the 2 courses above. I will begin by getting under the existing shingle. We'll have to re-nail that as well. Alright, so I've now removed the pre-installed nail. Now we'll remove the other nails that were holding it down. You are not to reuse any type of used material, so I'll be using new nails that are supposed to fit, which are 1 1/4. These nails, when they were installed, the code must have not been 1 1/4. So I'll be replacing these with 1 1/4 as well on the shingle above. And just to show you what I mean, this is This is 1 1/4 inch. This is what it's supposed to be used. This is what was on the shingle. Which you can see is about a 1/4 inch shorter. So this looks like it's a 1 inch nail that was used previously. So I will take this already manipulated piece that is a manufacturer installation violation and put it in. Another one of those short nails. Alrighty. Now that it's been lined up, I will reinstall the nails. First on the top course, then that and the bottom. Sorry, I'm a righty, so actually if you want to. That's okay. You can come over here. Sorry.
You want me over there?
Yeah, come down there. See here, I'm putting them on the nail line. It's important to notice the nail line that I'm talking about when it comes to reinstalling this one. You cannot reuse previous nail holes, so I'm going next to the one that was there. Again, 6 nails required on each shingle. And that one should already be good. Now I will nail back the previous one from here. See, there's some granule loss occurring. Actually, something I wanted to point out. If you look on the bottom here, this is what's called material transfer or mat transfer. So that means that the seal has been broken and that it will no longer seal properly to withstand any further damage. It's also here on this tab above. Pretty much every tab that was sealed has material transfer. So that right there should also constitute as a fail.
That stuff's just falling through.
Huh?
So it's just going straight through. No resistance.
All right, and now this is what I was talking about, the nail line. Why you're not supposed to use shingles that are different sizes or different manufacturers. This nail line and this nail line are about 1 inch separated from each other. That is not how it's supposed to be. Everything is supposed to be uniform, one piece that meets with the other piece. So this shingle should not even be used. But again, these are the only ones that are available for a 3-tab and all that's available for repair. Oops, forgot to nail that one down.
No, you did. It fell through.
Two snake bites. Alright, so not as much granule loss, but still a significant amount. While I was doing that, you can already see here a couple little spots in this shingle right here, here, that have some new creasing marks that weren't there beforehand. That's about it. This one wasn't too bad. But we do have 2 new creases. Again, like I stated before, I had to cut the shingle to be able to fit it in place. That right there is an automatic fail because it's not the same size. Other than that, there are a few spots. Like right here where the ridge, where this one meets the ridge cap. To repair that, I would have to remove the ridge all the way down to the end. I think there was a little bit of ridge cap, but it wasn't all included. But still, once we remove the ridge cap, it could cause damage to the other shingles above. And so now we're looking at replacing 1, 2 here, plus the other 2 top courses. And then those are not repairable either because of the size difference. So pretty much every shingle on here that needs to get repaired it can't because of the size difference in shingle. Again, here we've got 3. This one very close to the bridge, so you would have to go here. Then you would have to remove the shingle or the ridge cap that way. So from here all the way down, you need to go. Pretty much the entire top ridge of the home. And then again, now we're looking into the top 2 courses onto the adjoining slope. And then by that point, it's just we're doing the whole roof. So that's the repair attempt. Hopefully we'll talk soon about this roof and get this all finalized. Thank you.